welcome. My name is Kellu. Me and my family, we are renovating a double-decker one Hool into a motorhome. I've made a couple of videos about the engine room, how it got new beams instead of the old rusty ones, and also how it got new panels. Now it's painted, it looks very beautiful, but there are some more works to do. And today the engine room is getting new layer of insulation.
The panels in the engine room are flat, so the rock wool needs to be attached somehow. So first we bent strips of metal into either L or U-shaped brackets. Then we used, I think, about 5 centimeters thick rock wool boards to insulate the engine room. Finally, the rock wool was covered with stainless steel plates. And we use stainless steel because due to the constant heating and cooling, the engine room is likely to be more humid than the rest of the bus, and stainless steel is more durable in those conditions. First we are going to mark where the rivet holes need to go, and since the plate has to fit over a corner, it also needs to be bent. To make the stainless steel panels look a little nicer, we ground a pattern into the surface. We built the manual bending device ourselves. It is very simple, but we've used it a lot while working on the bus. Some of the smaller jobs, however, can be done without bending device at all. Here's a close-up of the brackets we made and the rock wool boards. As I've said in previous videos, always double check that you've got all the measurements right and that the part fits. And sometimes you just need to make some more adjustments after you've done the fitting. Next we're making the holes for the rivets. Silicone strips help keep the metal panel in place, and it also reduces noise a bit. Finally, the rivets hold the panel securely in place. And this photo is probably already familiar from one of the previous videos. Now you just know what's underneath these panels.
Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care.